Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to do a journal. Journals or journal actions, which are predefined and previously set up, are done to grant discounts, perform small balance write-offs, and for bad debt write-offs. Practices will occasionally find that some accounts are not collectible, such as when a debtor has passed away, or oftentimes the expense incurred in retrieving funds will be more than the actual outstanding amount. Journals are not done to correct billing and receipting errors, as journals won't correct turnover and cash flow. Let us go over how to access a journal. Please note that the journal can be accessed from either the diary screen or the debtor screen, but for the purposes of this video, the diary screen access way will be used. From the diary screen, click on the desired patient's booking. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the Account Details button to open the Account Details screen. Double-click on the desired invoice that the user would like to do a journal on. Click on the Journal button to open the journal screen. Now we will go over all the information needed to do a journal. The date field is used to know when a journal transaction has taken place, and can be changed by clicking on the field to open a date picker and selecting the desired date. The user is able to choose the type of journal ledger by clicking on the Journal Type drop-down menu and selecting the desired option. The various types of journal options could range from discounts and interest to write-offs and legal fees. Please note that the journal options available have been previously set up, but can also be set up by the practice. State the reason for the journal by clicking and typing in the comments field. The total field will contain the amount the user would like to allocate to the journal. The unallocated field will display the amount that still needs to be assigned to the journal. Click on the Allocate to Patient Amount button to automatically allocate the total towards the patient outstanding amount line item. Please note that the total will be allocated towards the oldest line item, and any unallocated amount will be distributed throughout the line items from oldest to newest. Click on the Allocate to Medical Aid button to automatically allocate the total towards the oldest medical aid outstanding amount line item to the newest if any of the total remains. If the user would like to clear the automatically allocated amount and instead would like to assign specific amounts towards specific invoice line items, click on the Clear Amount button. Finally, let us go over each available column. The invoice number, displayed in blue, is automatically assigned to each posted invoice as a form of unique identification. The debtor number is a series of numbers and letters that are assigned by the system that is linked to the debtor file and debtor account. The debtor fields will contain the name and surname of the account holder. Descriptions given on an invoice will be displayed under the description column. The patient outstanding column gives a total amount owed by the patient to the practice for a specific invoice. The medical aid outstanding column is the total amount owed by the medical aid to the practice for the related invoice. The total column contains the sum of both the patient and medical aid outstanding amount for the selected invoice. The amount allocated towards the total owed by the patient is displayed in the patient's amount column. The medical aid amount column shows the amount that has been allocated towards the outstanding medical aid payments. Each invoice is also broken up into the individual line items, where the user is able to allocate amounts to the desired line with outstanding amounts. The code column displays the code that identifies the billable item or procedure. A short explanation of the procedure or item linked to the billing code is displayed in the description column. Individual line items will also have patient outstanding, medical aid outstanding, and total outstanding columns, so that the user is able to view outstanding amounts on specific lines. The user is also able to allocate specific amounts to individual lines by entering the desired amount into either the patient or medical aid amount columns. If the user does not wish to save any changes made on the journal screen, click on the Close button. An attention pop-up will appear to advise the user that the unsaved changes will be lost. If the user does not wish to lose the unsaved changes, click on the Cancel button. To proceed with closing the journal screen and discarding unsaved changes, click on the OK button. If the user would like to apply the changes made on the journal screen and post a transaction to the system, click on the Post button.